guys, welcome back to our channel, Learn, Do, Teach Hairstyles. For those who don't know us, my name is Carrie and this is my daughter Gracie.
Hi everyone!
This channel is all about learning new and different hairstyles. So if this is your first time here, we would love for you to subscribe. And if you're already a subscriber, we thank you and we love you guys so much for your support.
Today we're going to be showing you guys how to do the interlocking links. So let's get started.
Anything I use in this tutorial, I'll leave a link in the description box below. We're going to start off by sectioning off the top part right here. Okay, like this. I'm going to wet down her hair a little bit just to tame those flyaways. Okay, so I'm going to secure this off with an elastic band. I'm going to go ahead and hide this elastic band with her hair using a topsy tail. The next step I'm going to do is separate from here to here. So I'm going to go ahead and just section off right here, right behind the ear. Just like this. I'm going to go ahead and clip this to the side, like this. And I'm going to do the same thing here on the other side. Now I'm just going to go and put this forward. Take the back here and put it into a ponytail just temporarily. Now I'm going to bring this back. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and put this into a ponytail right about here. So I'm going to put it right here. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and come back over here. Spray this down just a little bit. I'm going to split this right here from the eyebrow across. Splitting it in half like this. I'm going to smooth it out. I'm going to take this ponytail and I'm going to just split it down the middle. I'm going to grab this and bring it right in. Like this. And I'm just going to go ahead and put a clip right here for now. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Split it right here, right across, horizontally. Then I'm going to bring this over. So I'm going to put my fingers right through here, like this, and just bring this over right through. And I'm going to clip this to the side, like this. Okay, so it should look like this right here. Okay, so the next step is to take on the right. I'm going to wet this down a little bit. And I'm going to wet this down. So I'm going to take these two here. And I'm going to go ahead and braid it. So I'm going to split this in half or in equal parts to the other one. I'm just going to go ahead and braid this. Okay, I'm going to secure this off just temporarily. Okay, and I'm going to do the same thing here over there. Okay, so now I'm going to take this ponytail down. And you can actually leave it like this if you like. This is pretty nice. Or you can put it into a ponytail. So you can split this here in the middle, all the way down. You can secure it off like this with the ponytails. Just like this. But I think I'm just going to leave it like this. I like the way it looks. And I'm going to just take this. I'm going to hide the elastic bands with her hair using a topsy tail. So you can do multiple things with this style, especially when you have long hair. A little hairspray. And there you have it. Final spin.
I can hold you still, but all we know is when we get there.
Thank you guys so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial and find value in it. Now, if there's a style that you would like us to recreate, please let us know in the comments below.
We love feedback, so let us know of your success and find our videos of projects you might be able to improve on. Also click on the notification bar right next to the subscribe button.
Help support our channel by clicking the links in the descriptions. Now this helps us to create more videos for you.
Don't forget to smash that like button.
And click our logo below so you don't miss any of our upcoming tutorials.
To watch more of us, click on over there. Love you guys. Till next time. Learn it, do it, and teach it to others.
Bye! Have a great week and God bless.